Following the last video, this time we will look at the function of changing the size of the UI image according to the distance of the player character. First, let's set the tag of the player character to player. This will make it easier for the dummy character to find the player character. I will create a new game object variable, find the player character, and register it in the variable. Next, we need to measure the distance between the dummy character and the player character in real time. Unity provides a function called distance to calculate the distance between two game objects. Simply put in dummy's position and the position of player character. Next, the method to change the size of the UI image according to the distance is as follows. Let's run the game and check it out. You can see the size of the UI image changes according to the distance of the player character. However, as the distance of the character increases, it continues to grow up, so it is necessary to limit the size that changes. You can use Mathf.Clamp function to set the maximum and minimum values to be changed. In this example, we will set the minimum size to 0.5 and the maximum size to 1. You can see the UI image changes by a limited size. However, there's a problem where the player character needs to be very close to see the resizing of the UI image. In addition, we want the UI image to be smaller as the character is farther away, so let's try to fix it. The size of the UI image should be inversely proportional to the distance, so simply divide it by 1. And I will multiply it by 2 so the size of the UI image changes quickly even if the character is not very close. Notice the image size increases as the player character gets closer, and decreases as the player character moves away. That's all for today's video. Thank you. See you next time.